What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Corbin back with another video. Today I'm gonna have to vlog on my phone. Left the SD card at home, so sorry about this. Sorry about the quality if it's not as good as the camera. We about to go in Champy's, man. If you seen the title, Champy's is a chain here in Tennessee that's known for fried chicken. This is a brand new one that just opened up in Smyrna. It's pretty packed. So we about to go in, rate this chicken, to tell you guys what we think.
Why we about to eat it?
So guys, this is what the menu looks like. It's a little bit of the menu. This is the back side. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Every piece of wood in the world.
What? What do you mean by that?
What do you mean?
I said, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
All the wood in the world.
Right. It does, and I'm a very technical person, so I'm gonna look. You can order first, Bridget. Smoked sausage, cheese, and pickle plate. I want to get the two-piece, I guess, with the breast and the wing, and then I want to get, I guess, fries with it. Yeah. And mac and cheese. I'll take the Gouda, please. That's fine. And like y'all have like ranch dressing. Can I get that? Y'all have barbecue sauce? Can I get that as well? Okay. It's just regular. They mild or what? Are they mild? Well, just put one on a plate for me. Pass it to me. Thank you. Back it up a little bit, bro. Don't put it out like that. All right, so I got the tamale. I don't need no crackers. I'm a real one. So I ain't had no tamale in a long time. Do you eat? You don't eat the shell, right? Yeah. You try to eat it if you want to. Oh, let me say this up and call y'all back. Mississippi Deltas. Is it Mississippi Delta? They mild, so they ain't got no flavor. They heating up. They good though. Yeah, I love tamales. I ain't had them in a long time. You ever had this? You're not gonna try it. It's too spicy. I'm having spicy. I want to use Tony. I go get Tony outside. I give it like a. I give it an 8 out of 10. Again. Sausage, cheese, and pickles. You want some? Is it spicy?
Yeah, because it's.
You want some cheese on it, bro? You want some cheese? It's a little sausage on a stick. You know? This is spicy.
Close your mouth.
That seasoning is immaculate. This is how my food is looking. I got the breast, the wing, and the mac and cheese. All right. CJ already tearing his food up.
Me too, I'm sorry. I got mashed potatoes and baked beans.
I don't be caring, bro. All right, I hope y'all can hear me, but I know y'all can see me. The chicken is crunchy, man. No, y'all.
With some beans.
No. Oh.
Don't have,
It's hot.
don't have no, don't have no.
Got a back on board.
Not bad. Mac and cheese. Where's Gouda Mac? With bacon in it.
Eat the food. We're playing with it.
Mac and cheese ain't it.
Huh?
The mac and cheese ain't it. The mac and cheese probably like a 4 or 5.
Dang
The
it.
fries. Cause it got like a little taste to it. It tastes like it's been in the refrigerator a long time. Made earlier today. It don't taste fresh. The fries ain't bad though. One thing I need with the fries, maybe a little ketchup. Thank you. It's fine, it's fine. Got the barbecue sauce. Tastes good so far. Huh?
Trying to get fired.
Was she giving away food?
Yeah.
I'll let her do it.
Give away that whole damn kitchen.
Food is good. I'm gonna finish this up and do a final review at the end. I gotta let my palate absorb all of the food and give a real honest review. We're just not leaving Champy's. I think it's pretty good. It's just the chicken could probably be a little bit seasoned a little bit better. It's just, I don't know. I wouldn't compare it. It wouldn't be able to top any of the top fast food chicken places. It wouldn't be able to top Popeyes. It wouldn't be able to top KFC. Damn sure wouldn't be able to top Bojangles. So with that being said,
What do you mean?
What?
You can't top Popeyes?
Hell no.
This place not good to you?
It's good, but it ain't better than Popeyes.
I think it's better.
Get out, bro. Get out.